there are a lot of reasons why I love going to the theaters. Like the screen is huge, like the popcorn or whatever. But there's one thing that I really love about going to the theaters, and that is sound effects. I really love the way the sound moves from the one side to the other, from the screen to the back, from the top to the bottom. Like I really enjoy sound effects in theaters. Like there are movies that you cannot experience it, like feel the movie at home. You have to see the movie in theaters, like Gravity, for example. If you watch that movie at home, you won't feel the movie. You won't be in the movie. Like I saw that movie in the theaters, and whenever I watch it at home, I'll be like, I can, I can feel it again. Like Infinity War and Endgame. You just cannot feel that movie at home without watching it at least one time in the theaters. One movie. Every time I watch this movie, I fall in love with the sound effects. And that is the first Transformers movie, back when, scripts matter to Michael Bay. The Paramount logo at the beginning of the movie comes in with Transformers sound effects. Like check this out. You cannot tell me that ain't awesome. There's a scene in the desert where like a plane flies by and they ask to use 105 sable rounds, if I'm not mistaken. Oh my god, the sound of it, like oh my god, like the sound effects is crazy. Because of that, I came up with the idea for this video, and that is to like look for the most satisfying sound effect. I have the Zoom H4n Pro here that I picked up a couple of days ago, and I tested out. Like the sound that this thing can record is phenomenal. Like I can't even describe it. It's crazy. It's crazy what this thing can do. So I'm gonna use the Zoom H4n Pro to record sound effects that you hear every day that you don't even pay attention to. And at the end of the video, I want you to tell me which one is the most satisfying sound effect for you. All right, let's start. Oh my god, it's insane. Oops. Don't tell me you did not enjoy that. Oh my god. Refreshing. that was awesome. Like the way sound effects that you hear every day sound with the Zoom H4n Pro. It's like you never heard them before. I really want to know which one of these sound effects you guys think was the most satisfying sound effect. So please let me know in the comments which one of these sound effects was for you the most satisfying. As you can see, I got a new microphone. This is the pod mic from Rode. I'm using it for the first time to record my videos. I want to hear what you guys think about the audio coming from the pod mic. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would appreciate it if you'd consider, liking this video or subscribing if you haven't already. You decide. It's a free world. Follow me on my other social media. The links are in the description down here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.